You don't have to serve a chocolate Swiss roll at the holiday, but it does fit the bill. This is easy to make. Start with a very simple chocolate cake layer and sprinkle cocoa powder over the entire surface. Then roll it up with the parchment paper while it is still warm. That's going to help you avoid cracks later on. Give it a firm squeeze and let it cool completely. Then dollop on the mascarpone cheese filling, which is delicious, and spread it with an offset spatula. The key here is not to lift your spatula if you can help it. Then use the parchment paper to help you roll that up back into a log, and you're gonna let that chill. Give it a nice tight squeeze, and then put it onto a cooling rack over a sheet pan. Drizzle the chocolate ganache all over and spread that with an offset spatula. Any extra chocolate that drips below the cooling rack can be used again if you need it. Then give it a bang to get rid of any of the wrinkles and let it set. When it's time to serve, all you have to do is slice it and dish it out to all your lucky guests.